नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं शशिकांत हूं और आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पर स्वागत है। आज हम एक ऐसे विषय पर चर्चा करेंगे जो हर किसी के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है, क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि इंटरव्यू में आमतौर पर कौन से सवाल पूछे जाते हैं, इन सवालों के जवाब कैसे दिए जाएं, और एक सफल इंटरव्यू के लिए और क्या-क्या जरूरी है। आंसर BC, bituminous concrete 50 mm और 40 mm। DBM, dense bituminous macadam 90 mm to 130 mm। WMM, wet mix macadam 250 mm in 2 layers 125 mm each। GSB, granular subbase 200 mm to 300 mm। Subgrade 500 mm embankment। Question: what is the method of design of flexible pavement? Answer: flexible pavement is designed as per IRC 37. Design is based on traffic in MSA and CBR value of soil. Question: what is the method of designing rigid pavement? Answer: rigid pavements are designed as per IRC 58 as plain joint rigid pavements for highways. Question: what is design period for flexible pavements? Answer: 1. 15 years minimum design period subject to design traffic shall not be less than 20 MSA. 2. Stage construction shall not be permitted as per new code. Question: what is design period for rigid pavements? Answer: minimum design period 30 years. No stage construction. Question: what is permissible roughness value? Answer: rigid pavement 2000 mm kilometer for each lane. Flexible pavement 1800 mm kilometer for each lane. Roughness is measured twice a year. Question: how do you determining the thickness of overlay? Answer: the thickness of bituminous overlay is determined on the basis of FWD, falling weight deflect meter, test as per IRC 115/2014. Minimum thickness is 50 mm BC, after attending the requirement of profile correction. Question: what are EPC contracts? Answer: EPC stands for Engineering Procurement Construction. In these contracts, the payments are made by the authority as per work done by the contractor in accordance with schedulage. Question: what do you understand, very briefly, by contracts on HAM mode? Answer: HAM stands for Hybrid Annuity Mode. In these contracts, 40% payment is made to the concessionaire during construction in 5 installments of 8% each, based on progress stipulated. Balance 60% payment shall be made in 15 years in 30 installments, semi-annuities, as prescribed in CA. Concessionaire shall maintain the highway for 50 years of concession period. Question: what are salient aspects of BOT, toll, projects? Answer: BOT, toll, projects are financed by concessionaire using his equity, debt, borrowing from financial institutions like banks etc., and grant by NHAI as per bid. Concession period, that is inclusive of construction period, is fixed by the NHAI in bid. Toll collection and maintenance is responsibility of concessionaire. Grant is disbursed by the NHAI on the recommendation of IE as per policy laid down. Toll collection starts after code is issued. Question: what are various important schedules in model agreements? Answer: the model agreements consist of various schedules from Schedules A to Schedule P. Important schedules are: Schedule A describes the existing features of the highway, i.e. existing bridges, existing roadway width, exiting row etc. Schedule B defines scope of work as per CA. Schedule C defines the scope of project facilities like electrification, toll plaza locations, wayside amenities, plantation etc. Schedule D described specification and standards IRC, SP 84/2019. Schedule H stipulates stages of payments and their weightage. Schedule J defines various milestones of the project. Question: what are the various tests to be performed on soil to ascertain its suitability for road construction? Answer: 1. CBR value, in case available material fails to meet requirement of CBR, then use of stabilization method to be followed. 2. Free swelling index, max permissible is 50%. 3. Liquid limit, max permissible 50. 4. Plasticity index, max permissible 25. Question: what are the various things to check to ascertain its suitability of sand for road construction? Answer: 1. Sand should be free from mica contents, otherwise it shall affect durability of concrete. 2. It should be free from dirt silt, otherwise it should be washed drained for at least 72 hours before use. Question: what are the various tests to be performed on aggregate to ascertain its suitability for road construction? Answer: Item: aggregate impact value, maximum; abrasion value, maximum; combined elongation and flakiness indices, maximum; water absorption, maximum. GSB 40%, 0%, 0%, 2%. WMM 30%, 40%, 35%, 2%. DBM 27%, 35%, 35%, 2%. BC 24%, 30%, 35%, 2%. Question: what are various grades of bitumen used in highway construction? Answer: VG40, VG30, VG20, VG10, VG strength of viscosity grade. Question: how will you work out change of scope, cost, for reduction in scope of the project? Answer: clause 16.6.1 of CA. The following process shall be followed for calculation of total cost of reduced scope. NHAI shall work out the civil cost of reduced scope as per SOR applicable on bid due date. 2. The civil cost of reduced scope shall be multiplied by 1.15 to arrive at estimated cost of reduced scope. 3. The estimated cost of reduced scope then shall be multiplied by the ratio of bid project cost to estimated project cost to arrive at the total cost of reduced scope. Thereafter, before a payment milestone, the bid project cost shall be reduced by total cost of reduced scope, and payment made to the concessionaire shall be suitably adjusted, and recoveries, if any, shall be made from the payment to be released on that payment milestone. Question: how will you work out cost of cost due to additional work ordered on concessionaire? Answer: cost of additional work shall be worked out as prevailing SOR of that state. Item not covered in SOR shall be assessed based on market rate supported with minimum 3 quotations. 20% advance payment can be made on cost order. Question: what is the effect of change of scope on OM cost? Answer: OM payments as provided in clause 23.7 shall be reduced or increased in proportion to the reduction or increase in the length of the project highway.